Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Will Ellis. If this is your first time on the channel, do me a favor and click the subscribe button and hit like on this video. What I want to talk to you about today is driving traffic to your website. Now what I'm talking about traffic is actual unique users that are on the internet, getting them to your website to see what the product or service is that you're trying to sell. And it's extremely important to get legitimate traffic, and there's a lot of companies out there. I'll name HitLeap for one as an example, where you might be inclined to go pay for those products, and they will drive traffic to your site. Don't get me wrong, but they're automated. They're not legitimate users. There are scripts running in the background that are basically going to imitate a legitimate browser. It's going to go to your page. It's going to sit there for a second or two, and then it's going to bounce out and go to the next person. Now, those products, the only thing they're doing is driving the metrics of the number of people that have browsed your website. They're not actual eyes on your page. They're not actual eyes on your product. They are not going to buy anything from you, and you're just throwing your money away. So the product I want to talk to you about today is called Traffic Authority. Traffic Authority is one of the best products I've found out there for driving legitimate user traffic to your website. Let me pull up their webpage here for you just a second. I'll minimize this down so you can see the address I'm going to type in here. And I'm going to leave a link down in the description for you as well, so you can click that. Now, I am an affiliate marketer, so the links that will be in the description will be an affiliate link, so I might get a couple of pennies if you click through and you decide to actually purchase the product yourself for usage. So the webpage I want you to go to is going to be easy100kbiz.com/traffic authority. And that'll redirect you to the Traffic Authority webpage that you see on screen here. Once you're on this page, you can click on the play or video, and it'll give you an overview of what the product and service is that you can get from this site. If you find everything in there to be to your liking and you want to give them a try, hit the green button below. It says click here to get started now. And you'll fill in your information. No credit card information, anything like that needed at this point. It's just to create an account so you can get in. You can see the packages that they have available for you. So once you got all that filled in, click on create account. And once your account's verified, you can head back to this page so you can do a login there. On this page specifically, below the green box, you see where it says already a TA member, log in here. So once you're logged in, you should come to a page that looks like this. It's got several of the different packages listed out. These are one-time purchases. So you can click on, say, the basic package is $220. Their estimate is 170 to 190 clicks. So they're not going to give you a specific amount because based on the time of day or the actual supply versus demand, the cost per click does fluctuate a little bit. But you will generally see right around the middle range, so 180 or more clicks for your purchase. And if you're like me, you're going to be skeptical. You're not sure that this product's actually going to work for you. So I want to show you two of the active packages that I have running right now. Across this bar here, you'll see where it says active orders. I'm going to click on that. And you can see that I ordered a package on January 18th and January 19th. Let me turn that off for just a second. Okay, so in the bottom of my clock here is February 22nd. So it's been about a month since I bought those packages. You'll see on the screen that I bought a $220 package and a $409 package. So they break it down. They say how much of that pot of money has been used so far, what's left, how many clicks you've gotten. So you'll see here I've gotten 460 clicks. Has been driven to my webpage from these two packages that I've gotten. Now, as far as how many of those clicks are actually going to sign up or purchase a product, I'm going to pull up my email here for you. I'm going to show you. Okay, I've got a folder here for Traffic Authority specifically. These are people that have gone to my specific capture page for this product, driven to it by Traffic Authority. And also to show you here real quick, if I click on this little pencil next to these packages, it'll let me change the web page that I have my traffic driving to. So you'll see here, this is the web address that I actually have all of those clicks going to, 100kbiz.com/AIOTA. That's just a sub page I've got set up on the domain that tracks the visitors as coming from Traffic Authority. So that's how it'll show up in my CRM on the back end when I'm actually looking through all my metrics. Okay, so back over here, you'll see within my Traffic Authority folder, Actually, I have one unread, so I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna make all of these emails unread so you can see what I've got. So in total, I have 108 emails that said I had a new submission on that AIO capture page. All of those traffics being driven to it from Traffic Authority. Let me scroll down here just so you can see the actual dates that are captured in this. I purge my email account out every month, so I'm only looking at the most recent emails in this account. So scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see that this only goes back to January 20th. Again, today is February 22nd, so we're looking at roughly a month worth of capture submissions on the web page. So if I click into one of these emails here, let's see, look at the one that just came in here today. So if I open this email here, you'll see that I have a new form submission. This is being generated by the capture page. So I've got the name and email address, the source funnel. This is essentially the funnel page that I've got set up and what I named it. And down below, you'll see the source platform is Traffic Authority. So that's just to show you my email inbox so you can see the amount of traffic I'm getting. 108 visitors actually submitted their information on my webpage out of the 460 people that actually came to it. So just a quick measurement here. I'm going to pull up my calculator. All right, so we got 108 submissions out of 460 clicks. So I'm getting roughly a 23%, or if I want to round up, 24% of people that click on the links from Traffic Authority are entering their information on my capture page. Now, whether or not they go further into the process and they purchase a product, that's all going to be based on how good your capture page is or how interesting and intriguing your product is going to be. So that part is completely on you and how you design your pages and products. But I just want to share that with you. You can see what the return is going to be. If your products are good, you're going to get those sales. It's going to pay for itself in no time. So again, when you log in, it's going to take you over to this page here. You'll see the different packages that they have. They are priced anywhere from $220 all the way up to $8,400. This is the Diamond package. It's huge. Yes, you don't need to spend that much unless it's just in your budget at this point. So you can go down and you can opt for one of the smaller packages. You saw that I've got one myself. Again, back over here in the active orders, I've got the $220 package here, and that'll get you about the 180 clicks. Now again, these are one-time purchase packages. So once the money has been used up for the clicks for that package, it will terminate and you'll have to come back in and submit another order if you want more traffic. Now, if you want to have recurring traffic, you can click over here on this 12-month traffic button, and they're going to have a different set of packages here starting down at $145 a month, which gives you roughly 100 clicks per month for that money. Now, I did the averages on all these, and really it comes out to about the same cost per click, whether you're doing the single purchase packages here or the recurring monthly packages in this page here. Now, if you opt to get one of the 12-month packages, they will bill each month, and you can cancel it at any time within that. This is really just a convenience factor so you don't have to remember to go renew your subscription and your package every single month. This will take care of it for you for a full year, so you don't have to think about it at all from that point. Now, when you fill this out, you have the option to specify what website you want your traffic to go to. So at the bottom here, by default, it's selected for other website. So you'll put in the URL. They recommend for it to be to a capture page. That way you can capture the leads that are clicking. So put in your web page here, fill in your billing information. You do a digital signature here. You just scribble it on the screen with your mouse and submit the order. It'll then go to a reviewing status where they're going to go to the web page that you listed to make sure it's a legitimate page, not something that's going to end up spitting out a 404 error and just wasting your money. Once they've reviewed it, they'll activate it, and you'll start seeing that traffic coming into your page within a short time from that. Now, if you opted for the single purchase packages here, once you've selected which package you want, you'll notice that on the right-hand side, it updates with the dollar amounts, your total value. Again, you'll put in your credit card information, and then if you scroll down on this page, by default, it has a My Traffic Authority funnel selected, where you can pick one of their done for you pages. make sure if you want it to go to your own page, you click over here on other websites and fill in your page there. So go ahead and place your order at this point. You'll see the bill come out. They'll review your traffic. And once it's going, you'll see where it says running. If you have a page submitted and you decide later on that you don't want traffic going to that page anymore, you want to move it somewhere else, click on the pencil, type in your new URL, and hit update order. Once you go out, it'll update your status here to say pending review or in review, something of that nature, where it's basically back in that review status where they're going to make sure the new page is legitimate before they start sending traffic to that. So hopefully you found this useful. I've been using Traffic Authority, like I said, for several months now. It's been giving great results. I showed you my email account. You can see the referrals popping in. We'll calculate out what the actual conversion rate is from people that click to people that actually fill out the capture page. And again, this is not a guarantee. You know, if your web page sucks, your product sucks, you're probably not going to see great results. So make sure your product and your web pages are good first before you opt to doing any kind of paid traffic. Now, if these packages are a little steep for you, and I know that starting out they probably are, the $220 price tag, I'm going to have another couple of videos coming out where I'm going to cover other traffic methods. Some of them are going to be free, some of them will be paid, but check back on occasion, check those videos out. If you want to get notified whenever they get submitted, go ahead and click the notification bell here on YouTube. That way you'll get notified whenever I do upload those videos. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you've got any questions or comments, my phone number is down there in the bottom of the video. I will respond to your texts. It may take a day or two, just depending on how many I've got, but I will get back to you. And with that, we'll see you in the next video.